Hello everyone, this is Akshat Raj, a computer science student from VIT Chennai. So here I'm gonna talk about my latest project, which is StarWave. Basically, it's an influencer booking and event management app actually. So this is the landing page, or we can call it as a home page of my website. So yeah, that's a basic UI I have used here. It's just basic UI. Here are the list of creators I have added from a landing page. Here you can choose specific, uh, like I'm choosing fashion influencers. Here are fashion influencers are just showing up. Here, travel influencers, tech influencer, fitness. So yeah, that's just a basic one. That's our team behind Passionate Minds behind the StarWave. That's my mentor Rajesh Kansal sir, and that's me, Akshat Raj. Yep. So that's the basics contact page. Yep, basic footer. That's all about my landing page. Okay, so let's go towards our sign up page. Yep, so this is my sign up page. Here, done StarWave. Here, the user can enter his full name, email address, password, and along with that, he can choose a specific role. If it's like if the user is an influencer or creator registering himself or herself on the website, you can choose this option. Or if he's some a brand or a company or any individual who is looking for influencers to book, so he can choose this role. So according to these, we will redirect them to two dashboards. I have two dashboards on my website. One is client dashboard and one is influencer dashboard. So yeah, these roles are very important in my website. So that's all about it. Let's go to the login page. That's my basic login page. Let's log in by some influencer first of all. Yep, influencer login successful. So, yep, that's the influencer dashboard. That's the basic website. That's the influencer profile where the influencer can register himself by the name, gender, date of birth, address, city, contact, field he's associated with, Instagram ID, user, and the bio. Along with that, the user can update his profile too. So, yep, that's all about my influencer profile. Along with that, a user can actually manage his booking. He can also update his booking, which he got from the website. And along with that, if he wants to just to keep a note of what events he is going to attend or is have attended as well. So he can just post or update his booking here. And here in the event management, he can actually fetch his booking for what he has doing. So like come events fetch successfully. We'll try to fetch upcoming events. So past events, no past events found for this email. So that shows that I have not actually registered any of my event here. So yeah, that's it's all about. And here's a setting button where the user can update his password. So it's just a basic one. So yeah, that's all about my influencer page. It's not very much. It's just for the profile specifically and event management. So yeah, that's all about it. Let's go towards, let's forward from here and just log in from our page client user. So yeah, success client login successfully. Yeah. So that's my client dashboard. Yep, here along the client name is also coming. Welcome back to Shah. That's the name of the client which who has registered himself through the profile specifically. So yeah, that's the client profile. That's the email address by which the user is logged into our website. Yep, that's the basic stuff. So one of the main functionality of my website is this influencer finder. Client can actually find influencers of a suitable category that he wants. Like if I'm looking for technological influencers, now this will update all my locations here related to the influencers that are registered on my website for the specific category which is technology, all the users which are available in this location will show. Like if I'll choose a different category here, the different kind of locations will come here. It's just due to that the influencers that are registered on my website are the finance influencers are specifically from Delhi and Mumbai, those who have registered on my website. So that's all it's about. And along with that, I have also given a search by name influencer. For example, if a client wants to search a specific influencer on my website, he can find it through this also influencer name. So let's just search maybe technical. So yeah, I am getting Ladakh by Bangalore. Let's go for Bangalore. So there's the one influencer found, Hargeet Singh, who's field and content creator in Bangalore. Yep, I'm Kirat Kunsan is a graduate from Art Kirurgi. I've been part, so that's the influencer who is affiliated with me. We have Instagram and YouTube links, which he has registered himself on a profile. So yeah, that's a basic. And along with that, I have used a contact button, save button, uh, and of course a close button. So what does this contact button do? Let me show you an example. If the client wants to contact a specific influencer, he will use this button, contact button, sending email to her Singh, email sent successfully. So what does he did? Yes, he sent an email to this influencer. So what I thought about this was, we are not sending the email through the client's email address. We are actually sending the email to this specific influencer through the admin or like uh, the website's admin email address. Why we are doing so? Because we understand that there might be a lot of spam clients which just spam the influencer's email if they got the influencer email address. They would spam him or her with a lot of emails and requests. And so we don't want to breach the privacy of our influencers. So yeah, that's what we came up with. So if I'll go to my like Gmail, I can show you. See, yeah. There's a previous. Let's not talk about it. Yeah. See, it's 12:53 a.m. This is the recent one. That's a basic message which is sent away. Dear our parents, we home find a way. We are reaching from StarWave platform. Yep. This potential park. This is a basic email message which I have wrote in my code. So that's the email sent to the locator. If you want me to show from any other influence, I can show you as well. Let's focus on this button as well. Save button here. If I click on this, this influencer will get saved on my saved influencers page. So yeah, it's successful definitely. So let's take a different influencer, some comedian. Okay, so I have comedian from Pune, Samir Raina. Okay, or if I'm seeing some health fitness, then Vida Lavadia, or some its knowledge, it's Neeraj Walia also. Again, I'm trying to contact here. Email sent successfully. Yeah, collaborating opportunity with Neeraj Walia from yeah. Okay, so that's all about my contact details and save button. Let's also save this influencer. Yeah, influencer save successfully. Let's go back. So these are my saved influencers already. I have just saved this influencer as well in my previous way, I guess. So yeah, if I can also see details from here and I can remove it from here as well. So yeah, yeah. So that's all it's about. Up here, the count of saved influencers are also getting updated. So yeah, that's all my client dashboard. Yeah, and settings page just to update the password of the client. So that's all about my client dashboard. So Along with that, I have another dashboard, which is an admin dashboard, just to control the users who are registering on my website. I have created an admin dashboard as well. So s- it will be only accessed through login, of course. It's my admin, is the admin email and password if I'll just wrote admin login successfully. So this is the basic admin dashboard. It's not much UI, I know. It's just a basic one because I mean for admin dashboard, I don't think so there is a much UI needed. So this is the basic one, a clean functional one, I guess. So yeah, here's the user manager. It shows all the users which are registered on the website. If I'll click on fetch all users, it will run a query that will fetch all the user details on my website. So yeah, that's all my influencers or client. That's the client. I have only one client. So these are all the influencers and the client which are registered on my website. Basically, all the users which came onto my website and registered themselves. So if you can see, I have a status button here, 101010. This does, what this column does is, I have pre-filled every user on my website by a status one. Now, if I want to block a specific user, for example, I want to block this 3 idiots people. I have received a complaint or email about this influencer that he's fake or he has done something very unprofessional or something, and I want to block this influencer. I'll just click on here action button, user blocked successfully. So this will update the status to 0. That means this user is blocked. So if I'll try to register with this email, they will show me that I am blocked. And this is the resume button. Here it will get resumed. So this user is resumed. And okay, let me show you like here Gmail inference is 0. I have blocked. Let's try to log in from Gmail. So yeah, that's the logger. You are blocked. So yeah, that was it all about. Okay. Yeah. And along with that, if I want to delete a user on my website, here's the delete button. If I'll zoom this user, I can also zoom this. Yep, it's now valid on my website as well. Now, if I want to delete this user, I can also delete this user, delete it successfully. So yeah, that's all about it. Along with that, I have influencer console where I can fetch all the details of the influencer which are registered on my website. It's just the profile details which are registered on my website. So yeah, these are all the influencers which are registered with all their details. So yeah, and this is the client console, which as similar to influencer console gives me all the details of profile. Yep, as I had just have one client and I have not registered his details yet. So yeah, he only shows me name and the city, which I have updated it. So yeah, that's all about my client console. And yeah, that was all about my project. So hope you like the project. If you really like me, please do contact me on my Gmail or LinkedIn. I'm pretty active there. So yeah, good. Hope you like the project. So yeah, thank you so much.